Good evening, everybody. Richard Williams here, Simple Effects, your senior coach and mentor. Welcome to this weekend's week ahead review, where we shall have a quick look at what's hot, what's not, and the week's trading ahead of us. So last week was a funny old week, wasn't it? Let's have a look at that. So pound losing ground, as did the dollar versus the Canadian dollar there. Euro pretty flat. Dollar increasing on the yen there, and a little bit was lost there on the New Zealand dollar. But in all, really, even though the pound made significant gains against the dollar, it was lost again. As you'll recall, this was mainly down to Carney's very dovish rate hike. The market's not liking that. Basically, what happened was they increased interest rates but put out a dovish statement, and this was seen, I think the term they use is a hike and run or something like that, one and done, which basically indicates that they did it, but they're not looking to do it again for some time. And this is why we saw, after initially climbing quite high, the pound giving away quite a bit. It was over 200 points at one point. Let's have a look what this looks like here. So yeah, you can see where all those losses that were there. So initially gained and then it fell off. And I don't see any reason why this will come back. I mean, yeah, we've had a bit of a drop there, so one would expect a retrace of some kind. That may well have been it there. That remains to be seen, but I'm neutral on this at the moment, so I'm not getting involved in this if I can help it. Although if I was going to try this, I think I'd rather sell it than buy it. Aussie. So we've got an interest rate decision out this week for both the Aussie and the Kiwi. Live sessions will be on that. As you can clearly see here, that the Aussie's given way to the dollar. Much of a muchness here, sideways really, isn't it? Up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm bearish here, neutral here. So the Canadian dollar, interesting one. So we had some news out last week. I forget what it was on the CAD, what the actual news was, but we did see. I think it was Friday the jobs report. I think, wasn't it? There's a good jobs report out for the Canadian dollar, if I am not mistaken. Same time as non-farm. You can see steadily here that the Canadian dollar has increased in value versus the US dollar. But I think I'd rather buy that now than sell it. Yeah. Okay. Euro, interesting, very, very interesting. So the jobs report missed overall on Friday, and markets selling the dollar, or should I say, firming up the dollar. Even though it missed, I mean, it climbed here, and then it sort of went off a cliff afterwards, didn't it? That's all going to play out furthermore this week, I think. So we could see further losses here for the euro, but now we are at quite a psychological level. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, 116 is a major psychological level. I mean, you look at all the times, look at all this here. Yeah. Where would it go? I suppose if it continued to go, this is where it's likely to bounce here. So 11580. So maybe another 20 pips or so. Battery's going flat. Better be quick on this. Okay. Yeah. So the dollar's firming up. Where is it going to go now? Let's have a look. So we're here now, here, and then here, I think. Okay, so take a quick look at what's going on this week in the calendar. My battery's about to get flat on my laptop. Let's have a look. Not a lot to shout about Monday. RBI out on Tuesday. We've got a speech for the CAD out on Tuesday also. We'll have a go on that. ECB meeting on Wednesday. Kiwi will be on that on the night. Yeah, not a massive amount on Thursday, but we'll get on it. We'll see what we can find. Friday looks crap as well, to be honest. Well, that's not the end of the world. The reason I say that is might give the market some time to settle, and we might be able to find some trends to get on. So we'll have a look at that. Yeah, live sessions this week. I'll post them in the room in the morning. If you haven't managed to click on them, and get yourself on them quickly. I'm going to have to leave it there, guys, because I don't want this to go off and we not get it done. So I'll post this in your room now, and I'll see you all in the morning. Any questions, feel free to ask them, and I'll see if I can answer for you. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the evening. I'll speak to you later. Bye.